case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark decision in 2006, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of a religious group hailing from the Amazon rainforest, allowing them to continue using a hallucinogenic tea in their religious practices. The case, Gonzales vs. O Centro Espirita Beneficente Uniao do Vegetal, hinged on whether the government could demonstrate a compelling interest in restricting the religious group's liberty as per the Religious Freedom Restoration Act of 1993, RFRA. The religious group argued that the tea, which contains a regulated hallucinogen, was central to their religious exercise. The U.S. government had sought to prohibit the group from using the tea, but their attempts were thwarted by the district court, which granted a preliminary injunction. This decision was upheld by the Court of Appeals and ultimately affirmed by the Supreme Court. The highest court concluded that the government had failed to demonstrate a compelling interest in preventing the group's use of the tea, and indeed, RFRA required exceptions to generally applicable laws if they burdened religious liberties. After affirming the injunction, the case was returned for further legal proceedings based on the 10th Circuit Court's decision. The Supreme Court clarified that RFRA mandated consideration of exceptions while acknowledging situations where uniformity precluded such exceptions. In this case, the religious group's use of the tea was protected under RFRA.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.